Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and what I'm going to show you is my next video in the Christmas in July collection. So what I'm going to be using is various stamp sets from the annual catalogue that are carrying over, or that are in the annual catalogue for Christmas. So the one I'm going to be looking at today is the Nature's Beauty. Now this is a beautiful stamp set, and I use this particular stamp set to do some swaps for last November for when I went to on stage in Dortmund. I used a little bunny, and it is a really nice and versatile stamp set, not just for Christmas, not just for autumn, but for birthdays as well. So this is the one I'm going to be using. Now I've just prepared a couple of cards. I'm also using the 12 designer series paper that's in the new autumn winter mini catalogue, and this was carried over from last year's autumn winter catalogue. So I've got Garden Green as my base card. I have the DSP, and it's got red on the other side. I have another piece of the Garden Green, and then I have stamped the deer and just done some grasses, which is also included in the stamp set. I'm just going to put this together. Oops. Oops. And this is just a simple design of a card. You can use this with any background paper. I think what I'll do is probably erase this on dimensionals as well. So as you can see, I've used a die to cut out the deer. This will be from the stitched So Sweetly dies, and then just a piece of the Garden Green just at the back of it. I'll get my dimensionals and just put a couple on the back. Oops. So this is a really quick and easy Christmas card. And it was also inspired by a Pinterest, something I saw on Pinterest. So I'll pop the, whoa, there's a, I was alright yesterday. There we go. And this particular Merry Christmas, just there, I've stamped this with crumb cake, and I have used the Christmas Gleaming stamp set, which is that one there. And this is also being carried over from last year's mini catalogue into this year's mini catalogue. And you can buy the complete bundle of this with the punches. So there's 2 punches to go with this. There's this punch, and there's also this punch, and it also includes the set of the papers. I have a couple of them here just to show you. Absolutely gorgeous papers. This is that side, and that's the other. So that's just a selection of the papers, and we've got another one there that I've done bottle tag of. So that's another paper as well from the Gleaming Suite. So that's that one done. That's a quick and easy Christmas card. I'm just going to do one more, and this time I have used the garden green base with crumb cake, and I have just done a bit of background. I don't know whether you can see that, with crumb cake with the dots from the Nature's Beauty. And then I'm taking 2 pieces of the DSP. I'm just going to put this on. There we go. And then we have some different DSP from the 12 papers. So we have a green stripe, and you can use red stripe if you want, and then we've got the snowy scene with the animals on. So I'm just going to put these on. Again, this was another inspiration from Pinterest. There we go. And then we have this, so I will put this on dimensionals. I'm going to oops, bit of glue stuck so it wouldn't roll. Stick that on there. Take my dimensionals. And then again we've got the Merry Christmas that I'm going to put. Oh. I managed to get some glue on the edge and it's not rolling as it should be. It will now. It's better. And we can just stick that in there. And there you go. Another quick, easy Christmas card with using just one stamp set and a sentiment from another one. So I did say that the Nature's Beauty is not just an autumn winter stamp set, it can be anything, and I've done a couple of other cards. So this one here is a birthday one. So using the deer again, I've actually coloured the deer with the Stampin' Right markers, and the colour combination is Whisper White with Misty Moonlight. Again, I've used the So Sweetly Dies stitch framelit with some ribbon and a birthday wishes there. And then finally I've done the fox, and the colour combination of this one is Whisper White with the Cinnamon Cider DSP. So it's got like an effect on it. And then we've got the ribbon, again, the dies from the So Sweetly stitch dies, and little fox coloured in as well. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this quick little video showing you how versatile it is using your Nature's Beauty. I will leave links below to the shop and all the products that I've used today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be doing another video tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.